None of
Come
it's
on,
true.
none of it's true. None of it's true. It's BS. They made it up. They lie.
Hi, thank you very much for clicking on to a new reading. I hope all is well. So, y'all, I'm going to add this clip. Well, by the time you see this, you may have heard that sound. I believe that's Michael Jackson, right? But that's actually confirmation because I just got finished posting a video, which you will see before this one. So, it's the video right below this one. But definitely check that one out because Spirit just gave me confirmation with that sound that showed up on TikTok as I'm getting ready to record this video. So it was about a miracle manifesting for someone, especially if you got people that are lying on you. They're like making things up. But Spirit literally confirmed, and it had me thinking too, like, wow, so they basically lied on Michael Jackson too. So I was like, wow. But I just wanted to share that little clip with y'all, that sound. I believe that is Michael Jackson. But I'm gonna use my daily vibes cards. So I'm gonna just get a message out. Of course, whatever shows up for whoever needs to hear it. Give me some insight here for the collective. What message are they needing to hear for whenever they come across this video? Okay, so hidden is actually coming out. It looks like the eye is blocked out. So there could be something that's hidden, something that you are not able to see with your physical eyes. Now, for some people, you may be able to see whatever this is with your third eye, but I'm going to see what else shows up. Give me clarity here on hidden for the collective. So new beginning is showing up. Now there could be hidden information or you may not be able to see all the details in regards to this new beginning, but it does look like something new is on the horizon. That's what I put on a card. It's like written in small font, but it says something new is on the horizon. Road closed is actually showing up here too. And I'm actually seeing my card. It says that door was closed for your protection. I forgot which deck that is, but it's like one of the personal cards that I made. But it says that door closed for protection. So road closed, don't worry, you're being detoured. So it's like, of course, when one door closes, another one always opens. That always happens, right? So yeah, it's like, don't even sweat it because you got something new coming up here on the horizon. Okay, so and for some people, you may not be able to see this too, because like let's just say you are being detoured, and it's like you're kind of worried about this new direction or this new path that you are having to take, and I feel like it's more so change because sometimes we may not be ready for certain doors or things to end for us, but it's okay. Just know that it's like if you stay on the path and it's like you doing the right thing, you're always like you will not be led astray. So I'm gonna actually clarify this. I wanted to use, I'm gonna use these cards. I'm gonna just clarify to see what this is about. Give me clarity on hidden for the collective. Okay, so look, someone is realizing they can't replace your energy. So this could be a situation here to where maybe you have that realization, but I don't feel like that's for whoever is watching. Could be a cross watcher too, but it looks like somebody in your energy realizes that they cannot replace your energy. Let's see. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. Oh, you know what I'm seeing too? So basically, for some people, there could be somebody who is watching you, right? And it's somebody that basically you can't see them watching you. You can't see them watching you, but it's like that's what they're thinking or realizing as they're watching you. For some people, you could have blocked someone as well because this is given like for your eyes only type of energy. Because it looks like the eye is blocked out, but overall it's like hidden energy. So yeah, let's see. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. I'm not taking this one because the way it came out. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. One of those cards was trying to pop out, and it was basically confirming what I said. For some people, you cut somebody off. Now, you could have cut off access from someone as well, but they're still watching you. Like, you could have cut somebody off energetically, some way, somehow, they still able to watch you. But it says you're being guided toward a life-changing opportunity. So, yeah, again, when it comes towards, like, things ending or, you know, one door closes, it's like you're being detoured. There's a need to embrace change. Just know it's like you're being guided towards a better opportunity, a better situation. But it looks like whatever this is definitely life-changing. Now, not really sure how life-changing it will be, but it looks like you're going to be even a new person. A new version of you is appearing or uploading. So it says your next chapter requires a new version of you. So for some people, your absence actually, or basically by you cutting somebody off energetically, I don't know, but your absence is teaching someone a hard lesson. So I'm going to get one more for this one. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. I feel like spirit being a little messy right now, but I'm going to just go ahead and show it. But it says someone is about to get exposed for stealing your ideas. But I feel like that energy is not tied into this one. Whatever the situation is, though, it does look like somebody is being exposed, even though they are not, like, basically you can't see what they're doing, especially if somebody wants to steal your idea. Whatever the case is, like, you can't see them, but it's like, of course, you know, higher power sees them. They see exactly what they doing, and even what they wearing, what they looking like. So even though that's going on, like, their energy is hidden, either way it's going to be exposed. So, ooh, y'all, this exposure. So wow, by someone being exposed for stealing your ideas, this is going to make someone like super intimidated, because they're super intimidated by how protected you are. And low key, I don't know what be going on in the mental, but low key, some people do be kind of like testing people's protection. I don't know what that's about. It's like they know they're not supposed to try you. They know they can't play with you, but they still do it. But I'm gonna just leave this one over here, because I feel like that is like a whole different type of situation. Like I said, I feel like spirit was being messy, but it is what it is. For some people, you could have somebody that was stealing or your ideas, or you. I feel like that could be about to come to the forefront, especially if you're not aware of it. But yeah, tell me about hidden here for the collective. It looks like there is a hidden opportunity. It's something that you may not be able to see right now, but it looks like it's a yes. So the Ace of Wands is showing up. So when it comes towards like new projects, this could definitely be in regards to like new opportunities, of course. I feel like it's something very exciting about this energy that's showing up, because it looks like this is life-changing for someone, like, definitely. And of course, it don't have to be like whatever it could mean for you, because I'm not really sure like what people be expecting when somebody say like a life-changing opportunity, but it definitely shows where it's like a new version of you. So it's definitely something life-changing, to where it's like you're not going to be the same person that you were before it happened. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. There's a reveal that's happening, y'all. There's a reveal. So the star card is showing up. Let's see. Lately, I've been seeing stars in the card. So like stars could be significant. If like, to me, a star is like basically like a symbol, and it can represent many different things. But I feel like in this case with the star, is representing faith, hope, good fortune, a good omen. That's what it's looking like. So tell me more. Tell me about hidden here. Yeah, this is in regards to an opportunity. Ace of Pentacles coming out. This abundance that's showing up. abundance, manifestation, opportunity, new career, a financial opportunity, new venture, prosperity. Ones are very significant too. You could be seeing a lot of ones. Of course, I got cut off when I was talking, but ones could be significant for some people. If you've been seeing like 111, that means you got a new beginning that's coming up on the horizon here. Also, I was gonna say that I feel like somebody had mentioned this, the angel number 123, but I actually been seeing that angel number recently. So like, if you've been seeing 123, that could be significant for you too. But usually when I see like 123, I think about like the next steps or something of that sort. I think it does indicate new beginnings or something like that, but it's like basically a sequence, because of course one and then two comes after and then three. So that could be like a synchronicity for someone. Tell me about hidden here. And that's actually an angel number that I don't see a lot, but like literally lately I've been seeing it and it's like on the time. But I think somebody had mentioned it yesterday, so maybe other people have been seeing it too. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. So look, y'all, I don't know why I want to say 19, but the sun card showing up here. So it looks like whatever it is that's being hidden from you, it looks like Spirit's about to reveal it for you. Will reveal it to you. And it looks like it's going to be something very positive. I feel like it's going to be a positive outcome. Now, there's other energy that showed up about somebody being exposed for stealing someone's like ideas or something like that, or just stealing just in general. Either way, there's going to be a positive outcome. Listen, all is well with the sun card. Also, too, this is indicating a new beginning. A new beginning for a lot of people as well. So, yeah. Tell me about hidden here for the collective. Oh, so wow, 9 of Swords showing up. For some people, you could be worried or like afraid. Now, I feel like there's a need to not be afraid of things that you are not able to see. But I feel like there's like a lot of worry. One of these cards that showed up earlier today, well, as I'm saying this, because I had changed my clothes or whatever. So I can have like videos to post for the next day, but I didn't want to be wearing the same shirt. Low key, but earlier today I was pulling cards from the angel answer cards and no need to worry. So this is giving the vibes of like no need to worry, and it's something that you could be worried about. But Spirit saying it's no need to worry because you got a life-changing opportunity coming in. I'm gonna clarify some of these other cards. For some people, not really sure if you're worried about being replaced. Spirit saying you're irreplaceable. I'm not really sure like what that's about. This could be in regards to a work situation. But yeah, you're irreplaceable. And even if you don't want like whatever the situation is about being replaced or any type of replacements, either way, it's going to work out for you because you're being guided towards a life-changing opportunity. It looks like you're about to write a new chapter. Tell me about your being guided toward a life-changing opportunity here for the collective. Okay, so a King of Wands could be significant, y'all. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy showing up. Tell me about your being guided toward a life-changing opportunity for the collective. Okay, so 4 of Wands showing up. Yeah, it looks like this is surrounding the guidance. It looks like someone's taking actions towards partaking on a new path, a new journey. 4 of Wands showing up here. So it looks like this could be in regards to the opportunity. Now, I do see something in regards to like marriage, a new home. This is giving like a community type of vibe too. So tell me more. Tell me about your being guided toward a life-changing opportunity here. Okay, so look, I don't know why I keep saying the numbers, but the number 5 could be significant. The Hierophant card showing up here. So yeah, I feel like when it comes towards, I do see commitment coming in because the 4 of Wands showing up here. For some people, you're actually going into like basically this new chapter indicates a marriage for a lot of people. And it's okay if you don't want to claim that. Nobody has to know. But that may not be, certain people's life-changing opportunity, but that's what I'm seeing here. Tell me about your being guided toward a life-changing opportunity Okay, so the Knight of Swords showing up. There could be some like quick moving communication coming in, because the Nine of Swords is showing up here again. There's no need to worry about this next chapter. For some people, it's like maybe you could be worried because you don't really have all the information or whatever the case is, but it looks like you're coming out of this energy. It's like this is not going to be your life anymore. Like this current situation or whatever it is that you worried about, that's like the least of your concerns. Tell me about, I'm gonna just clarify this one. Tell me about someone is realizing they can't replace your energy. Okay, so look, the Hangman actually came out in reverse. It looks like you're about to be enlightened here in regards to this. Let's see. Tell me about someone is realizing they can't replace your energy for the collective. Okay, so the moon card is actually showing up here. Not really sure if somebody was trying to like copy someone's energy, because that's the vibes I'm picking up, but it looks like your vibe, like your energy cannot be copied or duplicated. It can only be imitated, I guess you can say. Yeah, so the moon card showing up. Let's see. Tell me about someone that's realizing they can't replace your energy. This could be confirmation for some people on like who this person could be, but whoever this is, they could be coming off as like very defensive. Because you know how sometimes too, when people do have that realization, it's like, yeah, I'm not gonna come across this type of person like ever again in life. Somebody could be seeing you as like a new opportunity as well, but it's like it will be literally like life changing. So you could be changing someone's life, or someone could be changing your life too. But it's like having that realization. It's like, yeah, like their energy cannot be duplicated, um, or even like replaced. Just in general, it's like a rare type of energy. That's what it's given. But something about like reading someone's energy too, or like basically being able to like pick up on those vibes of another person is very significant too. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna actually end it here. Okay, so thank you very, very much for watching.